Hi everyone, good time. Let's crochet hedgehog applique. This is my cute hedgehog. In this tutorial, we are learning how to crochet this applique. And if you want to turn this applique into a granny square, the link of the tutorial is here. You can watch it. How to turn circle into a granny square. For this project, I'm using Alize cotton gold yarn and 3mm crochet hook. Let's start. To begin, make a magic ring. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. 12 double crochet into the ring. For double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, pull up the yarn. 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull it through the second 2 loops. This is called a double crochet. Another double crochet. Continue until you have 12 double crochet. 3, 4, 5, 12. Now close the ring. Leave this loop and look at here. Skip the 3 chains, and this is my first double crochet. On top of the first double crochet, insert the hook from back side and let the yarn stay on the back side. It's behind the hook, like this. Now bring the loop on the hook and pull it through this stitch. Let me do it again. Leaving the loop, coming on top of the first double crochet from back side. You can turn your circle and then put this loop on the hook and pull it through this stitch. Now you can return to the front side. Chain 1. From now on, I'm going to use the back loops only. Each stitch has 2 loops. One loop is in front of me, the front loop. Another loop on the back side, back loop. I'm going to have my stitches into the back loops. So, insert the hook into the first stitch back loop, pull up the yarn and create a single crochet. Yarn over, pull it through the 2 loops and chain 1. This is a standing single crochet, which is equal to a double crochet in this pattern. Now create a double crochet into the same stitch. Into the next stitch, back loop only 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. Repeat this pattern by the end. 2 double crochet into each stitch, back loop only. And at the end you will have 24 double crochet. I have 24 double crochet counting the first standing single crochet too. Now join on top of the first double crochet, skipping this standing single crochet. This is my first double crochet. Let the yarn stay behind. Insert the hook on top of the first double crochet from back side. Put this loop on the hook and pull it through this stitch. As you can see, now chain one single crochet into the back loop of this stitch and chain one, another double crochet into the same stitch, back loop only, 2 double crochet into the next stitch, back loop only, and repeat this pattern by the end, 2 double crochet into each stitch, back loop only, and at the end you will have 48 double crochet. 48 double crochet. Now join on top of the first double crochet. Chain one single crochet into the same stitch, back loop only. In this round I'm going to have single crochet, 1 single crochet in each stitch, back loop only, and repeat this by the end of the round. At the end you will have 48 single crochet. Slip a stitch on top of the first single crochet. To crochet the spines, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Slip a stitch into the next stitch, front loop, this one. And for a slip stitch, insert the hook into this front loop, pull up the yarn and pull this yarn from the loop on the hook. This is called a slip stitch. Chain 3, slip a stitch into the next stitch, front loop, chain 3, slip a stitch into the next stitch, front loop, chain 3, slip a stitch into the next stitch, front loop. Go on this pattern until you reach here. I'm here and there are still 7 stitches. Don't work on these 7 stitches for this round and the other rounds because I'm going to attach the hair here. So now chain 3 and look at here. For round 2 and 3 we use the back loops only to create our stitches. And as you can see, these are the front loops. They are like a line all around here, here, and here. I'm going to continue crocheting the spines using these front loops. So, slip a stitch into this stitch right below this one. Like this, I'm going to here and slip stitch. In fact, I moved on this round. Now chain 3, slip a stitch into next stitch, or actually the front loop, chain 3, slip a stitch into next loop, and repeat this pattern all along this way until you reach here. Let the last 7 stitches stay unworked, and when you reach here, chain 3 and transfer to this round right here, then work along this side. Don't work on these 3 or 4 stitches, and then from here chain 3 and slip stitch on this stitch and go on like this all around. I'm done so far, and as you can see I have 7 stitches here without spines, 7 here, 3 stitches here, and I completed this last round with spines. And as you can see, the center part is somehow empty. To cover this part, chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Skip the first 3 chains. Into the 4th chain, make a slip stitch. Chain 3, slip stitch into next chain. Chain 3, slip stitch into next chain, and continue until you reach the last chain. It's like this. Now fasten off, and now you can sew this part at the center of the hedgehog's body like this. For the head, make a magic ring. Chain 2. 2 half double crochet into the ring. For half double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the ring and pull up the yarn. 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull it through all 3 loops. Another half double crochet into the ring. In fact, I have 3 half double crochet right now, considering the 2 chains as 1 stitch. Chain 2 and turn. 1 half double crochet into the first stitch, 2 half double crochet into the next, in fact I have 4 double crochet right now. Chain 2 and turn. 2 double crochet into the first stitch, 1 and 2, in fact half double crochet, sorry for that. 1 half double crochet into next stitch, 1 half double crochet into next, and 1 half double crochet into last stitch, taking from these chains. Chain 2 and turn. Half double crochet into first stitch, half double crochet into next stitch, 2 half double crochet into next stitch, 2 half double crochet into next, and 2 half double crochet into last stitch. In fact, I'm having increases at this side, and this side there is no increase. Chain 2 and turn. 2 half double crochet into first stitch, and 2 half double crochet into next. 1 half double crochet in each stitch by the end. 1 half double crochet into each stitch by the end. 3. 1 half double crochet into first stitch, half into next, 1 half into next, and in fact I have 4 half double crochet. Now I am going to have a decrease. For decrease, yarn over, insert the hook into the first stitch, pull up the yarn, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up the yarn, yarn over and pull it through all 4 loops. Another decrease with the last 2 stitches. Chain 1 and 2, turn. 3 decreases on this round. Chain 1 and turn. Insert the hook into the first stitch, pull up the yarn into next, pull up yarn and into this last chain and pull up the yarn. Now pull this last loop from the 3 loops on the hook, and this is the head. Now slip a stitch into the next space or next loop. You can see I'm going to create a ear. Chain 3, 1 double crochet into the first chain and 1/2 double crochet into this chain and single crochet into the same space. And this is the ear. Now fasten off with a bit longer tail for sewing. For the feet, make a slip knot and chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip the first 3 chains. Into the 4th chain, make a double crochet. Double crochet into next chain and double crochet into last chain. Add another double crochet into this last chain. Now chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Skip the first 3 chains. Into the 4th chain, make a double crochet. Double crochet in next chain and 2 double crochet into next chain. 2. Now fasten off. For sewing the head and the feet on the body, you should consider that if you want to turn this circle into a granny square, consider that these back loops here, and you can see there are some back loops here. For creating spines, I use the front loops, and these are the back loops. And here, you should consider that for joining, you shouldn't use the back loops. The back loops should stay free so that we can turn the circle, this animal, into a granny square. Therefore, for sewing, use the front loops and also this sides. My hedgehog applique is over. Hope you liked this tutorial. To watch the other tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Happy crochet!